Moodle 2 in a minute or two, managing blocks. One of the changes from Moodle 1.9 to Moodle 2 is the way course blocks are handled. You now have a lot more control over the display of course blocks. Here we see settings in the compressed version. If you click on the plus sign, you can see the sub areas, and by clicking on the triangle, you can toggle the display to show other elements and select them by clicking on them. You can also click the icon to move the block into the dock on the side of the screen. For any of the blocks, by hovering over them, you can see the sub areas and select them by clicking on them. To control blocks on your course, navigate to any of your Moodle course pages and turn editing on. An Add a Block will appear with a drop-down menu of various blocks you may choose. The blocks that haven't been used at all on Moodle 1.9 will probably be eliminated to keep things simpler, and not all blocks are necessarily useful. To add a block of any particular type, select it from the drop-down menu. Once the new block appears, you can set up its initial configuration by clicking on the configuration icon, the small wrench. The options available will depend upon the type of block. If you need more information about any of the settings, you can click the question mark next to the setting. You have the ability to control which pages the block will display on. You can control whether the default region for display is on the left or right of the screen, and you can also give the block a weight. A -10 will be the highest block in a list of blocks, and a 10 will be the lowest block. You can also set the visibility of the block for the individual page and switch it from one side of the page to the other if you wish to, and also set a particular weight for that individual page. And when you've made your choices, click Save Changes. The ability to manipulate blocks will give you great control over the display of blocks in your course, but we recommend using caution, as it can also be very confusing to other users of the course and to you yourself until you become more familiar with the system. If you have any questions about this tutorial or any other aspect of using Moodle, please contact your designated Moodle support person or use one of these other links.